So this is the bag that I use for all of my minimalism setups. So again, if I'm just covering an event, all I need is just one camera. This is typically the setup I'll go with. Now, I'm just going to run through my photography setup first, and then I'll run through my video setup, which, to be honest with you, will be actually the same, so I think that might be somewhat redundant. Anyway, now it just so happens that this bag will take a this camera and lens together as it is. So just quickly put that together. All right. So this lens and camera, as they are, is pretty long. All right, it's pretty long, very long lens. But what's cool is that just by coincidence, this bag will take the full camera and lens, which is cool. Almost fell over. So I typically put the lens collar off to the side so it protects the buttons on the side here, so it just fits better into the bag. Okay. So I can just put the entire strap in there as well. And that will close up perfectly fine. Now it does take a little bit of configuring in order to get it right, but generally speaking it will close up. Not the best, but yeah, something like that. Yeah, so as you can see, that entire camera lens and camera are in this bag as one, so I don't have to worry about taking an extra camera bag. I can just fit all this in there. And what's cool is that I can also fit the 70 to 200, 24 to 70, sorry, just in this one pouch here. So I can stuff that in there, and that's good to go. Then I just need to put a couple extra batteries in there. If I know for a fact that it's not going to be a low light gig, and I don't have to worry about a flash, then I won't bring a flash, obviously. I can just store an extra battery in the, just refocus this, make it better. I can just fit an extra battery in the top here, or 2 extra batteries. I can stuff my card wallet in the top here. There's a little pouch just in there, and it just so happens to fit that reasonably well in there. So that's where my card wallet will be. Now if I do need a flash, just let me sit down for a second. I can just chuck the flash in the top there. It's not necessarily the best way to store a flash, but it all fits. So there, it all fits into the bag. So I have a 24 to 70, 70 to 200, and a 5D Mark IV, and a flash, extra battery or 2 extra batteries, and a couple of lens cleaners, all within this one bag. Oh yeah, and also the card wallet. So that's in there as well. So for the sake of covering events, just as photography, less is more. This kit right here is perfectly capable of shooting the next concert. Hopefully you found this video somewhat helpful in whatever way you find it helpful. Please leave a comment if you'd like some clarification on any of the gear I use or why I use it. I'm happy to try and answer your questions. So yeah, hope you learned something.